this next tune out to Nikki D and Frank and Mo and all the other members of The Voice. I think they got sucked into the real world. It's like a black hole out there.
We're going to do a tune for you right now off that up-and-coming CD. It's the first track out there. How about a gang from Wisconsin? I can't hear you guys. Gang from Wisconsin. I still said we should have got a bus instead of all driving 18 hours. Why do we not get a bus to come out here? Here we go. We're going to put Patrick to work on the vocals for you right now off that second CD release. Here's a tune called "They've Got No Reason Now for Going Home." Why would you want to go home with a beach like this, right? What possibly could be better in Wisconsin? So, all you Wisconsin folks, this one's for you. It's a tune called "Got No Reason Now for Going Home." Polka.
Say, we got no reason not to go to the real world after this set.
That's right, that's right. Right now,